Hi everybody, Mr. D here with this absolutely phenomenal tutorial on the Nutcracker Viola part by Tchaikovsky, arranged by Phillippe. So at the beginning of the first movement, the march, it's probably best to play it in third position, like so. Of course you can play it in first position. But this change from G to B creates different color, while this just sounds a little bit more uniform. So you see how brighter the A string is versus. So many people will prefer to play it in third position. Okay, the most important thing, dynamics, my friends. So you have to practice for that very control. Over here at the pianissimo part at measure 5, I just very light bow. I turn the bow sideways to play with less hair. I add vibrato. Right here I play. I don't play the F sharp and the C with the same finger. I play the C with this, and the F sharp I put the fourth finger right next to it. Otherwise it will create a break. It's hard and unnecessary. You go crescendo and immediately piano again. Piano. Pianissimo. Crescendo. Okay, so at this crescendo you can go to third position here, or immediate, or you can play it in first position. This is just a little bit louder than the beginning. Did you see those two notes, how I brought them out? Less, least. And then we have the passage. Okay, or let's do it slowly. Yes, I use low 4 for the G sharp. You can slide the finger, but I prefer low 4. Decrescendo. Crescendo. I do. There are different things that you can do. You can go to second position. That is probably the most comfortable solution. Okay? All right? Let's do it again. Okay, don't forget the crescendo, decrescendo. This is how you play. This is the very different than the beginning, where that first note was always piano. This one is forte, and then immediately is piano. Pianissimo. And here the difference is that the theme is in forte. You don't go soft anymore. A little bit less, just a little bit less, but healthy. Okay, let's go over this slowly. So, definitely fourth finger. Practice that like that. Then take the next one. I played open string, but of course you can play fourth finger. And that's a high 3 right next to 4. I wouldn't do that because it doesn't sound good. No. Of course it has to be in tune. Okay, let's go over it so you can write it down. Fourth finger, fourth finger, fourth finger, open string, open string, fourth finger, open string. Okay, let's go to the second movement. Now, best for this is to play it in second position. Okay, so you find your E and you put your first finger there. Okay, it's possible to play it in first position, but it's too much of a string crossings. Now watch. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1. Move the 2 high. Back. Now measure 5 where the violin center. 1, 1. High 2. Now 3. Now 4. Now high 3. And now very comfortably here. 1. 1, 4, 4, 2, 1. Okay. See how I'm creating this very clean sound? Again, I tried it in first position, it's not good. Except if you would do when you play with the low 1, you switch to half position and you play the F sharp. Does that make sense? Okay, going on the 13, same thing, second position. Reset here, first position with open string. Okay, let's talk about it. Definitely don't mess up the bowings. This is the measure that says to coda. So a bow. accent and release. Now I play this in third position. It's possible to play it in first position, it's fine, but I prefer versus. Now low one, half position. Don't slide the first finger, play A with 2. Okay, now very nice stroke. Now save the bow for the end of the bow. Slow bow, fast bow, slow, fast. Okay, and then of course you go back to the beginning, and there is coda. Okay, that's pretty much the second movement. Now let's go to the third movement. There is nothing really for this except to watch for the pianos, forzatos and the fortes. So forte, start forte. Now be very quiet. Okay, and then forte again. Okay, now we get the important part that the violas have. So slowly. Okay, a little bit faster. I forgot to mention that this should be two oboes. Up, so the half notes are down and then up. I don't know what's the significance of the rest of that place. I'm trying to think and I can't come up with anything. So it's just I had an idea world you will be playing in half position. But it is what it is. And here's the second ending from 37. Okay? Okay? And then you go back to the beginning, and then you go to coda when it says it's the same thing. Very nice accent. Crescendo. Okay? All right. Good luck practicing. Let me know if you have any questions.